Hello food lovers! Welcome back to Essential Eats, the channel that brings you all the vital information about healthy and delicious food choices. Today, we have a golden topic to discuss: the incredible benefits of eating honey every day. Honey, the natural sweetener we all know and love, is not just a delicious treat. It's also packed with numerous health benefits that can greatly improve our overall well-being. So, let's dive right in and discover why honey should be a staple in our daily diet. Benefit number 1. Honey is a powerhouse of antioxidants. These antioxidants help to combat free radicals in our body, reducing inflammation and supporting a strong immune system. It's like nature's very own protective shield. Benefit number 2. Honey is a natural energy booster. It contains a unique combination of natural sugars, fructose and glucose, providing a quick and sustained burst of energy. Say goodbye to those mid-afternoon slumps. Benefit number 3. Honey aids in digestion. The enzymes present in honey promote a healthy digestive system and can soothe various digestive issues, such as bloating and indigestion. It's like a sweet remedy for your tummy. Benefit number 4. Honey works wonders for our skin. Its antibacterial and moisturizing properties make it a fantastic ingredient for homemade beauty treatments. You can use it as a face mask, hair conditioner, or even mix it with your bath water for soft, supple skin. Honey truly is a natural beauty secret. Benefit number 5. Honey can help promote better sleep. The natural sugars in honey stimulate the production of serotonin, which gets converted into melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. A warm cup of honey-infused herbal tea before bed can be just what you need for a restful night's sleep. Benefit number 6. Honey has antibacterial properties. Studies have shown that honey can help fight against harmful bacteria and even assist in wound healing. Its natural antiseptic qualities make it a fantastic option for treating minor cuts and burns. So, there you have it, my friends. The amazing benefits of incorporating honey into our daily routine. From boosting our immune system to improving our skin, digestion, and even aiding in sleep, honey is truly a superfood from the bees. Now, my dear audience, I want to express my gratitude for watching and supporting our channel. We are your one-stop resource for a healthier lifestyle, providing you with valuable information on the benefits of food, drinks, and fruits for our bodies. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay connected with us, make sure to subscribe to Essential Eats. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest content and updates. Together, let's embark on a journey to a healthier, more fulfilling life.